Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Dream Whip straight from the box, and then I'm going to give you some ideas for desserts that you can make with Dream Whip. Now I don't know about you, but spring is here and summer is coming, and when it's hot outside, I really like a dessert that doesn't have to be baked. No baked desserts are the best in hot weather. Now some people call this an angel topping or a cloud topping because it's so light and fluffy. It's perfect for dipping strawberries or other fresh fruit in. We're also going to go over what it means to form soft peaks. Sometimes with recipes you'll read mix till it forms soft peaks or mix till it forms stiff peaks. With Dream Whip, you want to mix it till it forms soft peaks, and we're going to mix it for about 4 minutes, but I will show you what those look like and just what the texture of it looks like as we go along. So let's get started. Alright, you're going to start with 1 packet of Dream Whip. You're just going to empty the powder into the bowl. And you'll notice that I'm adding 2. That's because I am making another dessert after this. Then you're going to add half a cup of milk. And I usually use whole milk for a creamier whipped cream. And then you need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're just going to beat it on low until everything is mixed together well. Okay, everything is mixed together now, so I'm going to bump it up to a higher speed and I'm going to mix it until those soft peaks form. It's probably going to take about 4 minutes altogether. So we have some soft peaks here, or I like to call them soft little ruffles. You can kind of see that it's kind of ruffled. And when I lift my mixer up, the whipped cream stays right on the mixer paddle. It doesn't just drip off. So that's when you know that it's ready to go and ready to use. Now that you have your Dream Whip made, you can take that Dream Whip and you can use it as is for a dip or a whip topping. Or you can use it with cream cheese and powdered sugar and make strawberry delight, blueberry delight, cherry delight. And you can even use it to put a dollop on top of Jello for a simple no-bake dessert.